Welcome everybody. Welcome to the live stream Forex and Equities trading for July 20th. And do some live trades. We already have one call during the analysis session that isn't really playing out, but it is what it is, right? So without further ado, let's get started on this live trading session today. Give me 1 second. All right. There it is. Let's get started. Hold up, sorry, give me one moment. Just getting back. Got my USD CAD trade up. I'm gonna stop down a bit here, but it is what it is, right? I was playing the trade. Hour should have closed in reality, but I still do feel good about these shorts. Unless it breaks above those levels, then the shorts are invalid. But I think that'll be a patience play. Just letting it roll out. Letting it play out. Sorry. All right, so why am I in a short in USD CAD? So the hour, kind of have this break of support on the hour, have this wick created, kind of a bearish momentum. The 30-minute is why I entered. The 30-minute broke the support, entered 50% down here and then 50% up here. My first entry was 135.60. Second entry was about 135.68. So 135.64 is my average at the moment. So with those two averages, I'm expecting to get out around 135.44. And then I'm going to let the runner run. The hour just closed. As you can see, the hour did close bearish with the big wick to be filled. So we'll see how this 6 o'clock hour candlestick forms. Obviously, I think my trade is invalid when it breaks above these levels over here. Other than that, I am still pretty confident in the trade, so I think we'll let that trade play out. So right now my TP is actually 130. I'm gonna adjust this entry 135.60 and 1.3568. TP is going to be 44, stop loss still the same, runner run based off market structure, get my 20 pips, be out, let the runner run, right? That's what we want to do here. So yeah, no, we'll let this play out, let it do its thing. Just based off the hour, you can see the hour did close bearish. This 30 minutes kind of weird. This 30-minute candle did close bullish, but I mean, it's still in a bearish momentum. There is no real support level until down at the lower end of the range. We have a weak US dollar as well that might drive this price lower, so we'll see. I just want to check one pair. Sorry, well, that's not how you do it. There it is. That US dollar did push up at the end over there. Yeah, but it's still bear. Like, you have this bearish break, you have a bearish hour, you have a bearish 4 hour, so everything is pulling bearish. The only way I get out of this is if this 4 hour went bullish, or if there's anything above this 4 hour candle bullish, then you play bullish momentum to the top of the range and potential breakout. So Monday it could easily do that, but I'm gonna trust my analysis on this, which I was saying a little bit earlier. It's in a bearish. We have a consolidation month right now. That's obvious. It's a range month. Go to the weekly, you kind of have this. Let me remove drawings real quick. Bearish move, pullback, it's kind of a resistance created, and it's in a range right now. Let me add the drawings back. Let's go daily, remove drawings. Yeah, same thing here. You have a break below the previous day. You have a big liquidity grab. You can see it push lower to test the lower end of the range. That's the one thing I was expecting or anticipating. So we'll see how that goes. The 4 hour, it's only invalid in my opinion if the 4 hour breaks above and it goes into bullish territory. And with that, honestly, I might take buys. If it actually did that, I would consider entering buys up there. So yeah, no, that's a trade for USD CAD. We'll see how it plays out. Kind of anticipating this wick to be filled. We'll see how price action. It's still early in the hour. No need to rush any exits or anything. Kind of be patient with the trade. So yeah, no, that's it for that. So for gold too, I think on our gold analysis, I did have this 1815 area being respected and then pull back, but obviously we'll see how this price action plays out as well. If I was a cowboy, I would literally put a sell limit up here and then just let it play. You know what? Let me just see if I'll trust my analysis. Gotta put my money where my mouth is, right? Excuse me. But yeah, I did save the picture on the gold analysis. Put that on daily recaps. Buys and sells played between levels created on gold. Market fear, COVID cases rise, and economy is locking down. Potentially, you could see smart money institutions flock to safe havens such as gold, 1850 and above. Pretty good buys. Price respects certain level. You can see a pullback too. Maybe this start today, start of the week, and then continuing higher. There's no big news event. We can see anticipate gold being in the consolidation range. Long-term sales, we need market optimism. So that was it for gold. There's reference the video if you want the complete breakdown and analysis on gold. But other than that, yeah, those are the trades we're playing today. Nothing too crazy, nothing too hectic, just simple analysis, simple trading, simple trusting what you were drawing out or what you're trying to anticipate to happen with the pairs. Damn, that flipped bearish. Wow, that's insane. I think I didn't take those buys, eh?
Can't you see what love and romance have done to me?
But yeah, we'll keep that up there. Yeah, I mean, can't really say much about it now. That's basically the analysis. I'll be right back. Get some tea.
What love and romance have done to me. I'm not the same.
back. Let's do this. I'm gonna put the site up or the live stream up on the whoops. It's a Zoom meeting. All right. Chad's coming on soon, so we'll get him here in a bit. Invite. No, he ain't online yet. Putting the live stream up on the website right now. Daddy. There we go. Live stream is up. Let me just check if it actually works on the site. That'd be pretty sick. It is up. Nice. So it's up on the website. That's sweet. So here's the website. We have a live stream tab, media. Actually, let me go through the website while we're here. So we have home still in progress, the logo, full chart, kind of goes down, mission statement, getting started, what to look for on the site content, investing basics, trading basics, behavioral finance, daily recaps, live stream, about us. This is going to be edited though soon. Subscribe, social. We just got YouTube right now, but we'll have everything else there. Investing basics under education. We're going to have a video, guide, asset class, portfolio composition, compound interest. We're going to have more on those pages too. Blog about it, updating every week, having new posts. Same thing with trading basics, fundamentals, technicals, how to trade. Blog as well. So it's the same structure for all of it. Behavioral finance, same thing. Mental fortitude, developmental skills and biases. So let me go through that again. Developmental skills are consistency, patience, and discipline. We'll talk about that. Recommended books. We have a lot of books we do read, so we're gonna have a list over here to help you with trading. Daily recaps. These are gonna be daily recaps and analysis that we do. So daily recaps of trades, analysis that we have. We'll post my gold analysis on here, as well as my USD CAD trade. Media, we got the live stream here. This was obviously updated every day. Time varies. Saturday, Sunday simulations and breakdowns, analysis. YouTube channel has a whole YouTube channel flowing on there. We're gonna have a podcast called Spin Bio soon, and then we have an about us right here and here. Pretty nice. Contact us. But yeah, no, that's the website. That was a quick overview of the site, what we're doing with that. Other than that, let's stick with gold. See what's up here. Damn, I kind of like gold trade. I kind of wish I did get that entry up there. That would have been a cowboy entry, but it literally follows my plans and analysis on that entry. So I'm gonna try it. I do have my sell limit at 18, 14, 50. If it 15, if it or 50, yeah, 50. If it does go to that level, so we'll see that. Give me one moment. Yeah, what up? Yo,
Yo, what's up, buddy?
what up, man? How you doing?
Good, yourself?
Chilling. I did the analysis this morning at 5 on gold and on shares.
Nice.
And then, yeah, no, now's the live stream's up right now. Got to trade in
Which trade are you in?
USD
Gold?
CAD. Gold? No, I'd like. Thing with gold right now, I think it's in a big consolidation. Like when I was doing
Yeah.
analysis, I'll show you in a bit. I'm in USD CAD right now because the hour broke lower. So on the 30-minute, when this 30-minute happened at 5 o'clock, I was watching it, and then when I was doing analysis on it at 5:30, we kind of had the bullish candle going up. So I have my short at like 135.64 average. Stop is 135.75. But you have this clean range going down. That's basically the trade. I'm not sharing my screen with you yet, but
Yeah.
let me share screen. Screen 3.
That's a clean range to 45. I see what you're saying.
Yeah, so it has that clean range kind of going down, and it did
Yeah.
break support, so that's why I took it. Yeah, I'm not too worried like to stop above 135.75 because if it does get back above here, then it's
Yeah.
probably gonna go higher. So yeah, no, I think it's like 20 pips for 10 pips right now, which is actually pretty good for USD CAD. For gold, um, it's in this big ass consolidation for the month, man. So I had this analysis going. Any like market fears or anything to scare the markets or catalyst, probably above 1815 goes up. But if it respects 1815, you could see it play within the ranges. So 1815 to down here, even to like 1800 or 1796 is a big support.
Mhm.
So something like that. I'm gonna put that up. I think the analysis I'm gonna start putting up on the daily recaps too. So like my gold analysis, and if we do pairs analysis, I didn't take any pictures of the pairs analysis, but
So, like
stuff
your
like
our
that.
weekly analysis.
Yeah,
Those are
yeah,
good
just
on
for
the
the
side.
week. So like this picture here, I'll probably put it up for gold. So like
Mhm.
daily recaps, I'll just put like gold weekly analysis and see how it actually my analysis compares with the end of the week too.
Mhm.
And obviously the trades too. Like this trade will be the first trade I do put up on the daily recap, depending how it goes. So see how this one goes.
Nice, nice, nice.
But yeah, man.
Wait, wait. Aren't we gonna start putting our trades on today?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah. What else did you
Don't
want to
get
work on
scared,
the
bro.
website?
That I didn't really look at. I was thinking I need to take a nap around like 8 o'clock to like 10 o'clock, but we can look at the website right now too. See what's up. See
Sure,
what we have
sounds
to
good.
do for tomorrow.
Did you sleep well last night, or?
Yeah, I did. I just kind of have a busy day ahead, so I woke up early, did the analysis, kind of want to take a nap, and then get started for the day. Parents' anniversary.
Today?
What?
Golfing day?
No, parents' anniversary and chilling with the girl too. So, and I have to get some stuff from GNC because it's on sale.
Oh yeah, since they're going bankrupt.
Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, man. Gold, by the way, I am gonna test my analysis, put my money where my mouth is, put like 20% position limit. My limit just got executed 1814.50.
Sell limit?
Yeah, I'm gonna test my analysis, see if it actually plays out. See, like if I'm anticipating it, I gotta put my money where my mouth is, right? It's only a
Yeah.
Monday too, and Monday you don't expect to see it go all the way to 1820. But yeah, 20% position at 1814.5. I'm gonna have my stop at around like 1819,
Mhm.
and then I'll kind of just let it run, let it ride out. So we'll see how that one goes.
Pound CAD ripped.
Yeah, I was looking at that last night before I slept. I
Did you
wanted
put
to
anything?
I wanted to long pound USD or pound CAD on the hour, but I didn't put anything in it.
Oh, it went crazy. Holy smokes. Love going to GoDaddy. It's not asking for the password anymore. That's interesting.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good. Sure. Actually, after you're done your notes, let's talk about the website, and then I'll work on it too.
I'm basically done. I just put the sell, or I'll just put the trade here. Sell limit. Entry sell limit at 18, 14.5. Okay. Wait, I'm done now.
Sure. So I'm guessing should we work on the education aspect now?
Yeah, I think we should work on the education aspect.
So write all three, or
Yeah, not like basically we can do the videos on the weekend or something, but asset classes, I think come up with what we want for each. Kind of have like the maybe for the guide, maybe let's work on the investing basics guide. So maybe on the guide under those three, kind of have an explanation of each what we expect to do for each one. For investing basics guide, trading education or trading basics and behavioral finance.
okay, yeah, I feel ya.
So under asset classes, portfolio composition, and compound interest, under investing basics guide, kind of have
Yeah.
like a paragraph or two quickly explaining or briefing what each thing is going to consist of. And maybe do that for like that trading basics and behavioral finance. And then we go more in depth in the content when we actually pull up the page. That'll be the true content. But I think if we have like a summary or a quick briefing on it under each education page, that would give us like a good start into what we're gonna do for content and the blog and everything, right? So
Like, do you need also want a summary as well for the pictures?
for the
Well,
pictures,
So behavioral finance guide, for example, below there's the behavioral finance content.
no,
Do
I think just for the pictures, leave that because under the behavioral finance guide, we could just explain what each one is, and then the content they could just click it and find out more, right?
yeah. Okay.
You like my picture under developmental skills, man? It's the dude with a bow tie.
Wait, where?
Under developmental skills, if you click it, go to that page.
Oh, damn. Is there any other Easter eggs on there?
No Easter eggs. I don't know. I just put a quick picture up. I didn't have anything crazy like
Biases explained as like the Matrix.
that.
Yeah, okay, then let's just write a guide for all three. That'll be the homework for today.
Sounds good. I'm gonna add under investing basics guide and all three of them, the investing basics blog, so we can explain what to look for in that.
Okay, sure. Sure. So that's for that. Okay. Let me write an email.
But yo, I'm pretty busy today, so that's gonna be if I have time. I got like a full day. That's why I woke up early to get like all this. I didn't do the analysis videos yesterday, but I'm gonna try getting it done, even if it's like a paragraph, mini paragraph on each one.
That's all. I'll write it up, and then we'll just go through it tomorrow.
Sounds
Alright,
good.
so are you gonna be? Wait, so are you gonna be joining your parents for their anniversary dinner? You and your brother?
Yeah, I'm cooking steak today, so I gotta cook that. I gotta go GNC workout. I'm chilling with the girl in the afternoon too.
Oh, is she joining dinner?
No. That'll be in it. I think she's gonna meet him in like August sometime.
Holy smokes!
What?
I'm just saying though.
I know, quicker than
That's quicker. You know what I'm trying to say?
Hey
So,
man, yeah.
that's quicker. That's good. That's good. I'm happy for you. I'm happy.
We'll see.
That's dope.
Behavioral finance. Yo, check in now. So if you go to the 3,
I think the pictures below. Or
well, no, if not the pictures below, but if you go under the guide for all 3,
oh,
as yeah,
find the blog. So it's just a
explain.
blog for each of them, right?
Well, yeah, just explain the blog, what we expect to do in the blog. So like any new articles we find or something. So if we find like a pretty sick article on behavioral finance, then we could talk about it in the blog.
So when we basically share that article and then just kind of like a digest, like kind of like why we think it's important, kind of the aspects that we see, kind of go through it, kind of like almost like a review of the article itself.
Yeah, basically, man. So something like that, right? So then we can explain what to take out of it. Well, the blog is daily educational. Well, not daily, maybe even weekly. We don't have to post it every day for the education aspect, but basically any tidbits interesting we find, like I'm sure you found it on trading or like Robinhood or something like that, or investing, you found something online, or you just want to have like a quick tangent or spiel on something, right?
Yeah, now I can stream. It'll be perfect.
Yeah, now you could stream it, you can put a blog post, you could do whatever.
So in 30 days, we are gonna go for that, right?
Yeah, 100%. I think within a few weeks we're gonna have everything done, basically.
Yeah. And then it's just building more content.
Yeah. So it's common mission statement. Getting started is pretty good right now. I even showed my parents. They said it's pretty good.
Nice.
They were pretty disappointed. They watched some videos too, and they were like, "Damn, you gotta wake up earlier." And I told them this week I'll wake up at 5 a.m. every day.
Disappointed. Oh man.
Challenge accepted. No, I actually woke up on time at like 4:20, 4:30 today. Took the dog for a walk.
Nice.
Got on, but I still need a damn fucking nap, man. Holy.
Yeah, I know. It's how long does it take to build habits again? 28 days.
21. For me, I think it's quick. I could do it in like 7. It could give me a week and I'm good.
Yeah. That's
the behavioral finance blog, bro. Habit building.
First article, brainstorming idea. Boom. Okay, so
Yo, that's not bad habit building. We could talk about how when we first started, or like, how we're trying to get into the habit of actually being up early. It's time to do it.
I'm putting in the notes right now, the agenda now.
The first education blog post.
Yeah. We can make a nice video about that and talk about past stories and stuff like that.
Oh yeah, building habits. But even during hot seat, I got the key because I was there at like 5:36.
Oh yeah, you were. You got the best parking spot too.
Yeah, I know, it was nice. Park there and just quick walk. Sick.
Yeah.
Good old days. But yeah, man, how's your weekend?
It's great.
Great.
Like, chill with all the guys I haven't seen in a while, like Subs, Joe, Junior, Doug, and just Minji, boyfriend.
Nice.
Bunch of peeps. It was nice. Like honestly, we should do it like the Sundance Canyon Trail.
Sundance Canyon Trail. That's what you guys did?
Yeah, it was a 10-kilometer one. For some reason, yesterday my legs were so sore, but like, it's a trail, right? It's not really like, but oh my god, the mosquitoes there. There's this one apart. I would say probably a kilometer in distance. That it was so plagued with bugs. It was insane. Like it was like an infestation. I've never
Was
seen it so.
was it like Chester Lake when we went up there? Just like
Yeah.
mosquitoes everywhere.
Like yeah, everywhere. Like I put mosquito repellent on, but I still probably have like one on my neck, 2 on each arm.
Damn, you got
Yeah, like,
demolished, eh?
yeah, I got demolished. I mean, everyone got demolished, man.
Yeah, makes sense.
But it was good. It was good. We went to this place called Green Ball for like Korean food and
Canmore?
no, Green
Calgary?
Ball, Calgary.
Oh yeah.
For some drinks, but yeah, it was a nice chill day. I'd say nice and relaxing. So definitely, I do want to set something up with
All of us.
fitting, yeah, fire and all that.
Yeah, I'd be
And-
down.
But we'll have to see when everyone's free. And maybe even if like we set up something like Jameson's Wings or something.
Yeah, restaurants and bars I'm kind of hesitant about now.
Are they
Wait,
still
dude.
closed? Yeah, they are probably still closed.
Is Jameson's closed? Really?
I mean, yeah, it's kind of iffy, especially since the resurgence.
Yeah, I think the resurgence is what's kind of putting me off, especially almost with my Cactus Club potential.
Oh,
That was not.
another thing we could do also is
I think the hike and like maybe the hike would be good. Hike and picnic or some shit.
make some bomb food. What else?
Damn, there's anti-mask rallies yesterday.
Oh yeah, in
I
Edmonton
saw
and
that.
Calgary. I'm just like, don't bring that stuff from the U.S. over to here. That mentality.
Yeah.
It's not. It's like it's not to protect yourself. Honestly, it's to protect the spread. Think about the others. Don't think about yourself.
I know people. Do you wear a mask when you go out?
Depends where.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Like, if it's like a restaurant or something. I've been to only one restaurant. Like, you honestly can't.
Yeah,
Because you have to eat.
you can't. Yeah, even if you put a
Can't wear a
whole.
mask. Like, there's some places where you just can't. Like grocery stores or anywhere there, I always wear a mask.
Yeah, anything like
Always.
that.
When there's like crowded people and stuff, I'll always wear a mask. But when it's like eating or hiking, I'm not gonna wear a mask when I'm hiking.
No, then you can't breathe.
Yeah, it's just like that. I won't.
There's like no
Yeah,
airflow after. So.
There's no point.
No.
Yeah, maybe I should finish. Alright, so building good habits. Well, so this is just for behavioral finance. I put building good habits as like maybe one topic for one, and then rank that. Is there anything else like from investing basics and
No, just a quick summary on all of them, and then it should be good. Nothing
Okay.
like we got all week during, like even during the trading hours, probably work on it a little bit. If I don't get time tonight, I'll probably wake up early. I got the hour 5 to 6 to work on it
Yeah.
tomorrow morning.
yeah?
So yeah, just quick summary. Maybe talk about habit building in the blog. Put a video up there on the weekend. So
Yeah. Damn. So on the weekends we'll have to wear suits.
yeah, that's fine. Oh yeah, I gotta get my webcam on my laptop. Yeah, I'll figure that out.
That's all good. No rush. Yeah. Yeah, if we're trying to set something up, maybe we could see if Yuri is down for it. If he and Nikki has mended.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Personal relationships.
Yeah.
See
I'm
how
just
that
saying that,
goes.
like, oh, nice.
What?
USD CAD's dropping.
Yeah, I'm like 2 pips profit right now.
Okay, that's good.
But yeah, we'll see. I
drop.
do expect it to. If this hour finishes like this, though, you can see the next hour drop. It's pretty clean going down. Yeah, even to like 50s level. So it is pretty clean going down. So I think I'll wait for the hour to close.
That was choppy. Best time to trade was last night.
It was even like before London Open. That was a good time.
Yeah. I mean, pound CAD really moved nicely last night. Like when I opened yesterday, clean, I think upward movements, and then let's just see. Yeah, no, yeah, a little bit nice up movement and nice drop, and then no, I'm tripping out. Yeah, nice drop from till 10 o'clock, and then just running up since.
Yeah, it's been nice for pound CAD.
Yeah, it's starting to move nicer now. Less wicks.
Less wicks, more trading opportunities.
Anything else you want me to add to the agenda for today?
No, I think that's good. I think that's good. So I got a phone call from Dylan. I'm gonna put myself on mute and quickly do this. Shit, where is the participants? Mute myself.
All right. So, good morning, everyone. Again, this is Kyle. Just gonna be, well, we're sharing similar screen, but just let's do a little rundown of Euro USD for today. Yesterday had a nice, or actually last night at 9:30, we had a nice upward movement for about almost 40 pips, but now we're kind of like very choppy, lots of wicks, and we're stuck in a range. And like we mentioned before, ranges are kind of not fun to trade between because anything can happen in between, and there's a lot of traffic, right? So you might get stopped out of your position or shaken out of your position. So essentially right now it's just really a waiting game. I'm gonna be setting my alerts here. I think one alert will be 114.378 for a short, and then for a long, maybe back up in the top of the range there, which will be around 14.67. So right now we're kind of in between about 30, a range of 35 pips. So we want to be cognizant of kind of what can happen and kind of plan out our trades. But for me anyways, let's just say for example, if it broke down 114.40, you have clean traffic all the way down back to the 20s level, so you can obtain an easy 10 pip trade, and then on the upside too, you'd be able to obtain 10 pip profit from the upside if it breaks up. And both these plays are going to be momentum plays. There is kind of not really a setup I see right now. Yes, you could possibly, anyone can really play the consolidation, but it's risky. We're almost heading to 7:30, so we will see a spike in momentum for a breakout of some sorts in one direction or the other. So that's maybe something I'll be anticipating as well. Now, pound CAD looks beautiful now. Simar and I were just earlier talking about pound CAD last night at around 10 o'clock, before even London Open. You just have a nice upside break all the way pips is that? 120 pip breakout. Just the bull right now. Right now, the reason why I haven't taken them long yet and kind of hesitant is that we do have one like minor resistance point back in July 15th. At 6 o'clock there, that was the previous, I guess, high within, I wouldn't say the week. That's a better way of describing it. No, it is the week. Previous high of last week on July 15th was around this area, 170, 160. We do see, let's see, in an hour, if it closes kind of bearish, we gotta think about, is this a traffic area? Of course, though, the structure of this is still intact. Even if, let's just say, the hourly candlestick close, we are still in a bullish structure in all other time frames. Now, kind of going back to our analysis last week, is that yes, last week I had said on my analysis that I do see this going up longer. I kind of still do, just for the fact that yesterday's or last week's bearish weekly candlestick wasn't too bad. It still maintained structure somewhat. It didn't make a new high, unfortunately, and then it did close bearish. So this week's candlestick could be a little bit iffy, but there was a lot of news last week, so maybe it's just a little bit news driven or fundamentally driven. So potentially, if you see this week though, at least make a new higher high from last week and the previous week, so July 6th week, I do see a potential of us inching up higher to maybe 174 or 176 if it's depends. Well, maybe I should look at the news and kind of see what's going on. So Forex Factor is typically where we look at the news, upcoming news events. So CAD, we get core retail sales, so that's a big month over month, so that's a big news factor that people are going to be waiting to put input into their systems. And really, pound there isn't much news this week for it. It's just one news for CAD, there's one news for euro, really none for the US. So it's going to be really technical trading, not news driven trading. So maybe we'll see some momentum plays if there's some news events, not fundamental economic news coming out. But I guess, yeah, maybe we'll get no fake outs, stuff like that. Actually, no. There's always going to be fake outs, but less wicky candles is always a good thing, in my opinion. Alright, so we do see Euro USD kind of dropping here. High traffic area once again though, so that's why my order's at 114.38. Just want to make sure and not get faked out and see if I can get momentum here. Or it'd be good to just be alerted that when
I'm back.
hey.
Which stock were you explaining? Or pair?
Euro USD.
Okay, here. My bad,
I was explaining pound CAD and Euro USD. I was just kind of giving a weekly rundown.
Yeah.
So Euro USD, if it does break down past 114.40s, I'll be alerted. There's still a little bit traffic, quite a bit of traffic actually, until it goes past about 114.35 area. So if you see a bearish candlestick going below there, and we do have a clean break all the way to 142 or 114.15, so a lot more cleaner traffic. That's more of a, I would say, easier trade to go with. So yeah.
Nice.
I kind of wrapped it up. Yeah, I just kind of, since I didn't do the weekly analysis, I kind of talked about
the quick briefing. Fair
yeah.
enough. Did a quick video on it earlier, but obviously not too in depth. But either way, video is video, right? Content's content.
It is content, my friend. Wait, did you load it up or?
Load what up?
You said you did a quick analysis video at 5 o'clock, right? This morning.
Yeah, it's all loaded. It'll be on the site tomorrow. It's on the YouTube channel right now. So it's still like, yeah, it's still rolling.
Wait, why don't I see it? July 20th. That's changing. Cool. Wow, you already got 3 views on that.
Oh man, I think these trades are gonna be slow.
Yeah, it's Monday.
It is Monday, slower day, so we'll see what's up. Am I unmuted on everything? Hold on, give me a sec. I check. Streamlabs has a mute option. Yeah, I'm unmuted on it. Just double checking.
Yeah. Oh, you actually mute yourself on Streamlabs?
Yeah, you can mute yourself on Streamlabs and Zoom. That's what I did. I don't know how to mute it on my computer. There's no button on my headset either, so it's kind of weird.
Oh, okay. Just the good old fashioned unplug.
Yeah, just unplug it. Simple unplug.
It's like your computer actually has a built-in mic.
Uh-huh.
Everyone just hears the whole conversation.
Yo, this is actually playing out though. It's nice. I got another position at 1817.50. My average is 1816.
Nice.
So
Oh yeah, it just popped up 20 pips or like 15 pips. And then went back
yeah,
down.
there's no catalyst though. That's the one thing that was like putting me off on the longs. Like, yeah, it's in a bullish structure, but it's in a range now. If it did continue bullish structure, this trend should have continued, right?
Mm-hmm.
But with that trend not continuing and price kind of just like going up and down, I was like anticipating kind of an area of contention. But
Euro bro.
Euro broke lower. Oh damn, it did. Holy shit. That thing
Just-
tanked.
Just broke lower. 13 minutes for the hour and the 30-minute close.
Damn, maybe if there's a pullback on the next hour, I might get in on that with you.
Yeah. Because yeah, it's like clean traffic all the way to 15. 14, 15.
That would mean the US dollar is strong. I probably have to get out of this then. We'll see how it closes in 13 minutes.
Yeah. No rush, mate.
Mate.
Okay, I wonder if I should just make some coffee right now. What does my study schedule say? I have to do my flashcards and I have to do equities. Oh, it's gonna be a busy day. Honestly, yesterday I had like, yeah, not as, oh yeah, fixed income. Today is fixed income day for my cue cards. And fun days, man, fun days. So typically, where do you buy your steak?
Co-op, no fancy. I don't know. We don't have to get the fanciest, you know. Just something easy, ribeye, something nice.
Just for the viewers to know, Simar is a part-time chef. He makes the bombest food ever.
Exactly, gotta cook, right?
Gotta cook, man. Gotta cook. So yeah, so we've been doing I think we've cooked 2 meals. So before we've tried, I think it's So Fresh or So Fresh.
Uh-huh.
And right now we're doing Good Foods. So
Okay.
it's like pre-made, all chopped. Well, that's the thing. So Fresh doesn't chop up anything. You have to do everything, wash everything. They sometimes kind of lack good instructions and stuff like that. So the cook time was a lot longer, but we've been doing So Fresh, or fresh foods, and like they're really good, like compared to So Fresh. So yesterday we made pad thai.
Yeah.
And the day before that, we made Japanese fried chicken breast,
That sounds bomb.
like edamame and some rice. Okay, no one knows how to make rice. They always tell us to put too little water and the rice becomes dry and hard. But
Yeah.
but yeah, that was the best. First of all, I'll say that was the best chicken breast I've ever had. Fried chicken breast I've ever had. So moist, so good.
That does sound bomb. Fried Japanese chicken breast, eh?
Yeah, and they include the spices that you put on there and stuff like that. And then yesterday, yeah, I love the pad thai. I mean, I think Cecilia was a little iffy on it, but yeah, I love the pad thai. And
What is
I'm
so
looking
fresh? Like a YouTube channel or what?
so fresh YouTube channel. Let me see. I have. Oh no, sorry. Good food. Good food.
Good food or
So fresh was I think when we used so good food. Yeah, good food meal kit delivery.
oh, it's a meal kit, so they deliver
Yeah,
it to your house and then you cook
and
it.
then you cook everything. So the price,
Oh,
I
okay.
think we've been yeah. So our she got a free 3 boxes or a free week, and
Yeah.
then I'm getting one this week. And like the food's good for a week, like in your
Nice,
fridge.
nice.
So and then we're gonna be making a maple barbecue pork chops.
That sounds bomb. Maple barbecue pork chops.
Yeah.
Dude, by the way, look at Euro USD.
Yeah, I know. I know.
That thing, dang, I got a USD CAD, but yeah, maple barbecue pork chops sound bomb too.
Wow, what a tank. I mean, yeah, if you look at the hourly, 3 nice red hour candlesticks, I wasn't expecting it to break down that quick.
No, that was quick and hard.
Quick and hard. Before even the market opened. Yeah. Just thinking what I could have done. Could have maybe, yeah, put like because I'm looking at the hourly right now. Could have put a sell stop.
Kind of like below the candles, right?
Yeah, sell stop at where? At 114.35. And then, yeah, 10 pips either side would have been a good risk and reward, I think. Yeah. Well, if it pulls back up to 14.35, that'll be nice. It's
Yeah, I
kind of
think
if
the next hour might do that, but I think you're gonna have to wait for the hour
yeah.
to show up.
Because the thing is, like, it did touch basically kind of like the supply area,
Yeah, it did.
or sorry, the demand. Yeah, the demand area. It touched that, and then if it makes it back up, who knows? That 10 pip move is there though.
Well, it pushed down even like after it broke 10 pips, so that was like quick and easy, pretty hard too. So
Yeah, trading the 5 minute candlestick would have been like, boom, quick, easy, broke support. 5 minutes, the word to touch. 15 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes. Wow, what a beautiful break, though. What a beautiful break.
got out of USD CAD by the way. The 30 minutes should have gone lower.
Okay,
It is what it is.
break even on that?
No, I took like a. Oh, I didn't put my average there. Oh, I'll put it on the blog. I took like a 6 pip loss, so it's nothing too bad. I controlled it. I didn't want to hit like the full 10, but still, like this. If this So this bearish candle, I was expecting 630 to go bearish too, but if the 630 is going bullish, it's kind of like out. First blog post though. Hey, let's get it done.
But your gold's like at least averaging that out. It's
Yeah,
going
gold's making me
Your
like
average-
break even right now. My average right now is 1816, so
Okay,
I have
yeah.
like a 40% position, so it's actually pretty nice on that one.
Yeah. And when's your TP? Is it like 1812 or 1810? Or 1812 for the core?
1800, yeah, 1812.
1812.
We'll see. I'm gonna let the runner run, but
Well, yeah.
nice.
Okay, I'm gonna go make some coffee.
That sounds good.
Now, how about drums? An instrument everybody loves.
All right, we got that up on the blog. That's sick. That's very sick. Damn, Euro USD. Wow. Tanked. Thing tanked really hard. But yeah, now I'm in gold trade. Out of this USD CAD trade, as you can see, that was a good exit, in my opinion. Failed, but we're in this trade now. We're on the hour. Yeah, we're on the hour. Yeah, that hour with the bearish close, it's actually pretty good too, in my opinion. But we'll see. That goes. I do think he'll reject it. But yeah, I know all we can do is anticipate, play price action, etc. So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna check out the blog if it shows up. So if you go here, you go to daily recap, should see, yeah, the first blog post. Actually, I'm gonna go trade reasoning, update. Yo, how do you want the format to be for the blog?
Format?
I have it like this, so edit post. I kind of have it like July 20th, 2020 USD CAD. Put my name. Put all this.
Yeah.
Why we did it.
For me, anyways, I
No.
think the trade reasoning, that's good.
Yeah, I put trade reasoning and then I put trade details.
Yeah, details. For me, my format is I like to include. I think now since I've been practicing like on TradingView, I think I'm gonna do 5, 15, 30, and 1 hour.
That's nice.
I'm a just so people could see, because different time frames you're gonna be able to see different things, right?
Yeah.
But yeah.
But no, that's fair enough. You could add multiple pictures, right? But my depends. My trade was based off 30, so that's why I only have 30 minutes.
Yeah. I just want them to see, because
it's not bad.
It's just basically the same chart, just 5 minutes, 15, 30, and 1 hour.
Yeah, 100%. So they can see like different times.
But the writing on it to be the same. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna add anything new and stuff like that. But I'm gonna probably do that. But damn it, Euro man, like that hits the TV.
Yeah, that was the trade. That was fat drop on that. So
30 minute. I think if I put a sell stop at 114.35 below the 11 o'clock candlestick of last night, that would have been, if it broke that, it would continue lower if it did before market open. That would have been the quick, easy money open.
Oh yeah, 100%. That was a nice trade. Especially, I was looking at the 6 o'clock when that flipped bearish. I was like, wow, that was actually insane. Or the 5 o'clock flip bearish.
5 o'clock,
5 o'clock was bullish, and then it flipped bearish, and I was like, wow.
And I was looking at the 1 hour, I was like, damn, it's like 3 days, like 3 hours in a row that's like flip bearish. Or not flip, but are bearish.
Yeah.
Like, guys, if you like that Euro USD kind of analysis, hit a like and subscribe on our page.
There we go. Yeah, after this gold trade, I'm probably done for the day.
Yeah. I mean, Euro USD, that was the trade for me anyways.
That was. I think the best entry would have been when the hour broke. And then you got the momentum. Now it's like, would you short it? I don't know.
Oh, look at the supply area now, so it's like hard to short.
Yeah,
and now
exactly.
it's entered a new range. You know
Basically,
what I mean?
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
Between 1440 and 1415.
Like the safest sells would be a break below to like 135, 80, but now you don't enter anything.
I'll be 10 pips, if it goes 114.10.
Yeah.
I wouldn't go any further, because now it's a whole number, plus you do have some noise from July 17th and 16th, around there. Maybe not. Maybe you could get 20 more pips, but I mean, a whole number, you're probably not gonna get.
No,
Two.
definitely not.
It might break 14 a little bit and then just bounce back up. But yeah, that was the trade. The sell stop should have been at 114.35 below the 11 o'clock candlestick wick, and that's just clean traffic, like we said, and it was. It broke down.
Yeah, it was 100% clean traffic going down.
And that would have been, I think, like a 15-minute trade.
Yeah, no, that was quick. That was like within like seconds, to be honest, man. It dropped
Yeah, it's
so
like
fast.
my alert's going off. Oh shit!
Oh shit. I like how gold finished bearish. Rejection bearish.
Yeah.
Anything below 1813 now is going to be pretty clean to my TP.
So wait, are you, just for the viewers and stuff? Are you still gonna, like, for your core? Are you still going for 20-ish pips and then?
Yeah, basically, like so for this trade, I do have 1816 as my price, which is pretty good.
Yeah.
Considering it's only half position, well, 40%. This trade, I'm gonna go 40 pips.
Okay.
Because I do have like a 30 pip SL in 19. So I kind of want that 1-to-1. But if it does break below and if it gets to like 1812 or 1814, 1813, I'll probably take half of the core out.
Okay, sure.
And then let the other half of the core run. But I still have my runner position too. The runner position, I do think like the lower levels might get hit.
Yeah.
Obviously, but yeah, no, I'm playing between levels on the cells anyways.
Nice.
But the rejection up here is actually pretty nice. Like if you look at it, it basically rejected that wick. So now you have a range. Anything above 1818 is going to be a buy, pretty easy. But now anything below is, you could sell it and you could have a stop above here. But just considering the fact it's been in this crazy range, that's the reason why. And like the analysis I did too was basically just test top of this range, and you like buys above that level would be caused by news or catalyst or something.
Yeah.
So I did short it around 1816, trying to play the analysis, put my money where the mouth is, and then let it ride
makes
out.
sense. It doesn't really have that extra kind of news or whatever to push it higher.
No, definitely
To
not.
the 1850s level. So I agree with that.
Because the thing with gold, it always needs like a catalyst to push it. That's what I find out, right? Like either market fear, market optimism, something gives it this big boost. Trump puts out a tweet, I don't know, vaccinations, etc., trade war. That's when you get the true pushes.
Yeah, I agree.
So that's the only reason I shorted it too. Anticipation and testing out the analysis. Kind of happy I got a USD CAD though. Got out at a pretty decent price.
Yeah.
Because this hour went bullish, which is tough. We're back.
Yeah, sounds good. how bad the numbers are gonna be with COVID today.
In Calgary or just the world?
No, just in Calgary.
Yeah, I don't know
Hopefully,
actually. Long weekend was actually nice weather too. There was a lot of people out, so I think the spread might have more like outbreak locations, possibly. So we'll see. Because you already have Cactus Club and Fire and Ice.
Yeah,
And,
I agree.
what's up?
You hear about that guy that was the UFC Dinos basketball manager?
Yeah, that was
Dude, like I knew the girl too. Jessica?
Who? Oh, what was her
That's
last
like
name?
from high school.
Jessica. Oh, and
Wow.
oh.
LAU. That's
Yeah, that was
crazy. Just to get spat on that, dude. Oh man.
that was dumb. Like, why?
It was my girl, man. Dude, I'd go for a sprint.
I just kicked the bike over. It's my.
Yeah.
Well, and
Just grab him from the back and just tug him down, man.
surprised the recording was there too. It was like perfect.
Well, like,
recording.
but yeah, the reason was her boyfriend was just like, I think, taking a video of her skating,
Yeah,
and then he just came and just spat at her and just told her the C word. Insane.
yeah. That dude's mess. So you see his Twitter posts. it's
Yeah.
Like,
Well, yeah, you kind of knew that he was in the right state of mind. Who says all that stuff, right?
Yeah, actually, like who does?
Is
it?
he of Latino descent or what?
Is he-
Latin descent?
I have no idea. I thought he's. Yeah, I don't know what descent he is, but
Is he spat on like Caucasian couple behind them too? Is what she said in her post.
yeah. So it's kind of weird. Damn, Raja's doing 20 lots now. Hey, good for him. That's fat.
Are you serious, eh?
Yeah.
He's gonna catch up to Ted pretty soon here.
Not bad. That's pretty good.
How much do you net today? 4 or 5K?
Yeah, 20 lots, 10 pips, couple positions, 3 positions. That's fat.
Basically, he goes 60 lots.
Yeah, well, I think you went 40, but I think you had a 20.
Is that $400 a pip? Yeah, it's $400 a pip.
Mhm. But yeah, no, I saw that video too. That was kind of retarded. The guy's
That's
just.
disturbing, man.
He ain't mentally stable though, let's be honest, man. That's kind of
Yeah.
weird how that happens, right? So
The worst thing is, like, I'm worried he's just use that to fight off the charges.
what, it's not mentally stable? I doubt it. He's gonna get charged, but I think like he's probably gonna be put into like some rehab or institutional kind of thing. It's usually what happens, right? So
Yeah. Just sad, man. Sad. I think I would have gone bonkers if it happened to like someone I knew. And if I was
Yeah.
right there, I'd be like, "Oh, let's see if you're a faster biker. I'm a faster sprinter."
yeah, see who's faster.
Yeah, let's see who's faster. But it's crazy how the internet can identify him so quickly.
I know that was fast. Like
That
how was it
span
like?
of, 2 hours, 3 hours?
Was it like how did they get it? Like through Reddit or what?
No. Where I first saw it was Calgary. It was actually my girl was telling me about it, and then I saw it in Calgary events.
Yeah, I saw it on that too. But I'm saying like, how did they identify? Like, was it through
I don't know.
Instagram, social media?
But then
some
again, if you like work for the Dinos, it means like a lot of students know you at UFC.
Oh yeah, and a lot of students follow Calgary events probably.
Yeah, and a lot of students are tech savvy. You know, most people are tech savvy at like our age and younger.
Yeah, I know they are. So they probably like identified it. Yeah, that makes sense. Quick
He
identification.
recognized the guy. And honestly, judging by his posts, he probably sounds like a dick anyways. So it's just like, yeah, I remember this guy, right? So I made a dumb decision yesterday.
What was it?
I spent $28 on pens.
On pens? Why?
You know those Uniball ones?
Yeah,
Yeah, I bought a pack of 12 for $28.
yeah. Why, man?
Good question. Because I'm running low on my current Uniball ones. I'm making flashcards and everything.
Oh, I guess you do need
I'm
them.
gonna be going through and like they just write the best.
Yeah, as long yeah, you know what, man? As long as it helps study.
You know, I'm not trying to spoil myself here, but like, you know, I'm just gonna try and make this journey of studying just a little bit funner, okay? With writing a nice, decent pen.
Yeah, it makes it a lot more enjoyable too. I know what you mean.
And then just waiting for the people to make. Remember how I told you about my internet and stuff? Waiting for people to make a hatch underneath or hatch on my deck, so then they can access the Telus box, so that I can get faster internet. And then I might get the new Google Wi-Fi. Like,
Yeah.
so
Damn, just getting
yeah,
upgrades everywhere, eh? Tossing around dough.
need the upgrades for the home office, not even for myself, but for my mom too. And plus, you know, streaming demands quite a bit. So
Yeah, it does demand quite a bit of internet.
so we'll see. And then after that, then the next thing is going to be upgrading. I've been looking. Obviously, I haven't said I'm not going to do it just yet, but I want to get a new.
New what?
I want to get a PC.
Like, yeah.
Like a
I
PC.
mean, that'll be eventually, right? Even like Raja upgraded his. He was doing like laptop.
Just for the fact, yeah, like I don't get me wrong, I love my laptop and everything, but like PC is something I can constantly upgrade. First of all,
Yeah,
right?
you could keep adding parts into it or replacing parts.
Or
in it,
yeah,
right?
replacing
So,
parts. Second, and it's not that hard. Like you know, since I've been following this Reddit group, it's like quite easy. You just
yeah,
have to
it
take
is.
precautions and just not be an idiot, I guess.
There's a lot of YouTube videos too.
And
to
plus,
be
it'll be
honest.
cheaper. Like a $2,000 PC will be no matter what better than a $2,000 laptop
Yeah, it will be.
any day, right? Just because of the space and all
Plus,
that
there's
stuff.
like a lot of YouTube videos to.
Yeah, and honestly,
Yeah,
I'm not really. It's not really for gaming per se, right? Because I don't really game much.
No, but you do a lot of shit on computer, anyways, right?
Yeah, it's like
Whatever
for
you trade.
streaming, video editing, all that stuff. And if I get like, honestly, I could spend. I think even if I got one from, if I didn't build one myself, but got one like from Memory Express, because they do pre-make computers.
Mhm.
But I told you, I think my experience when I spent $1,000 back like 8 to 10 years ago, I think university days, right?
Yeah.
My computer's still running. My dad's using it. Obviously, it's not as quick and stuff like that, but it still works for like YouTube, internet surfing. 10 years.
Yeah, I know.
Right?
As long as it still works, right? Like as long as the usage is still there, then it's worth it. And I
It
think,
can still play Overwatch.
yeah, so the PC usage is still there, right? And plus, you could upgrade those parts if you really wanted to.
Yeah. So that's the thing. That need new. I just need my items to come in, man. Like my better back. Like
When's it coming?
I don't know. It's still from the U.S. to Canada. It's still somewhere in the air.
It's still
transport.
flying.
I doubt it's flying. It's probably train.
Yeah, it has to be trained.
Or semi. But like the thing is, it left Carson, California, July 7th. And it still hasn't arrived to Canada yet.
13 day. It makes sense. They're probably very sketched about getting anything from the US though, right? US isn't, it's pretty sketch destination. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I know. I know what you mean.
It'll come though. It'll come.
No, I know. I just like, because if that isn't good enough, right?
Mhm.
Then like, yeah, I need to seriously think of getting a new chair, which is
Where would the chair come from though? If the chair comes from the States, it's kind of in the same situation again.
Well, I mean, if it comes from the States, then maybe I just won't touch it for like a week. Because
Yeah.
like germs and stuff or that virus doesn't, it can, I think if I remember correctly, the virus can only stay on surfaces and stuff like that for 7 days or
That's
five
not
days.
bad. Just leave it outside.
Yeah, or I can just sanitize every part.
Yeah, that too. That too.
Right, so this is why like Amazon is so successful, honestly. Because like yo, I almost check every single day, and it's so annoying.
Amazon?
Like, yeah, waiting 2 days is fine.
Yeah,
Waiting like 2-3 weeks is so whack, man.
it
like,
is. That's why Amazon stocks up. Let's be honest, man.
because they got that logistics honestly on lockdown.
Yeah, they do. They do easily.
Yeah, like the 3 items I ordered yesterday, so like the pens and a couple other things. Boom. Oh, and I ordered Starbucks coffee from them because I don't want to go to Starbucks and get a full bag. I ordered some. Have you had the True North coffee?
Yeah, that one's good. I think that's
Yeah.
a regular one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a regular one, but I just got it in a ground bag because I'm running
Yeah.
out. I usually make mine in the afternoon, so.
Nice, nice. That's sick. Yeah, their True North blend's pretty bomb. But yeah, and you order that off Amazon?
Yeah, on Amazon. It's coming today. I
Yeah.
ordered it last night.
Damn, that is convenient and sick.
And fast.
And fast. Yeah, that's just quick. Faster than your chair thing. Or your better
Yo,
back.
chair thing wouldn't be shipped for another month.
I know, that's insane. So
it's just like, I'm just losing that. And okay, and you know what the crappy thing is? The crappy thing is that they only have one shipping option. I know, like this one, it's free shipping.
yeah,
Shipping. But like honestly, if I really need a new chair, right, I would pay for expedited shipping.
Well, yeah. Well, even this thing you got, expedited shipping would have been nice, man.
Just so I would get a couple weeks ahead, right? But no, they
Yeah,
don't even have
exactly.
that feature on, which is kind of like, what? Why though? Why couldn't you just
Probably
add
the
it as a
COVID scares, man. Let's be honest.
But no, I mean you're still gonna ship it, right? So why don't you just expedite it? Like
Yeah,
have an
that's
option
true.
so I could, if I want to pay, like if I want to get a chair in like a week, I would have to pay like let's say an extra $30 or something for shipping.
Yeah, and
Which
you
is
would
fine.
probably.
Like, I was on YouTube. I was like watching the reviews. Like one guy has his promo code on, and he saved like $35.
So you basically save 35 and get expedited shipping in the same sense.
Yeah, if they had that option, right?
Yeah, if they had it. Does it, yo, for your thing for your back that you ordered, does it have like an approximate delivery date?
No,
Nothing, eh?
no. They everyone's. Oh, I get it. It's true, but they're saying yeah, COVID's really delayed. It typically be like 1 to 2 weeks, or I think they said it on their website 7 to 10 business days.
Fair enough.
With COVID, it's just like, nah, bruh.
Unpredictable.
Unpredictable. For sure. And for Streamlabs, just a quick question.
Uh-huh.
Let's just say if you were signing off, but let's just say I wanted to continue the stream, I would have to make a new stream. I couldn't just like copy the link and then
Yeah, I think you'd have to make a new stream or continuation of it. Why were you thinking of continuing it?
No, I'm just saying. I was just curious. You know what I mean?
Oh,
Let's just say
yeah.
like, you're done now. I was like, okay, but like I'll still be on for another hour. So then, like, is there a way I could just take the stream from you? So like, put it on my stream, Labs OBS.
Maybe you want to try it? I could send you the code on Zoom.
Sure, Streamlabs OBS.
But do it after, I think.
Yeah, do it after. I mean,
Could try it, see if it does continue it, and if it does, it's actually not bad.
But the thing is that
Oh.
no, it might just I'm just worried it might screw up the video with YouTube side and just not post.
Maybe just because there's a lot of stream crashes, but they load up, right? But that's a code. Send it on the Zoom chat.
Do you set your mic to full, like the mixer?
Yeah, I think it's at 75% for both. Here, let me check. Screens
For
shit.
me, I'm at full.
Yeah, it's like 75% for both. Don't need too loud. You don't need too. Yeah. Damn, USD CAD did tank, eh? But it hit my OG stop anyways, my original stop.
Okay, then. That's all good. And you got out like a great time.
Riskless control, that was a weird pull up on it.
What wasn't weird is your USD breaking down. Sell stops. Oh. I think I might do some simulations today.
Some simulations.
Once you log off, yeah.
Are you gonna stream the simulation?
Pardon me?
Stream simulation or nah?
No, just probably by myself. Just
Fair
it's
enough.
quicker, so I don't have to explain anything. Just write down notes and then just keep going. Because like I have maybe I should talk about to the audience about what kind of like the idea is here. So, Simar and I were chatting, bouncing ideas off each other, and one thing, and I give props to the guy that wrote this article around how he studies the CFA. So his strategy is really you have to learn it, you have to refresh it in your mind, and then you have to do the questions or like the questions to confirm your like learning concepts. But the main thing he attributed his success in the CFA was like all the wrong questions he got wrong on the mock exams. He would make a list of all those wrong questions and then redo them until he got about 95% of them, the wrong questions right. So made me thinking about kind of like with trading. Trading, there's so much information, everything like that. And so what we talked about was that we're going to be doing about 3 months worth of simulations. And then obviously, just like how we trade, we always log our trades and everything like that. But so for all the wrong trades we do, we'll redo those wrong days again and see how we do on those days, because we probably don't remember what the chart really looks like. We redo those wrong days and then we see like, have we done better on those wrong days? Or are we doing the same? So then that helps us identify the common mistakes in our trading that we keep doing, keep repeating, and then we'll do it again for the third time, right? And then we're gonna make a journal of these common, errors in trading that we do, so that when we trade like live accounts and stuff, we'll exactly know where we always screw up on. So then first, it's either we do the opposite of where we screw up on, or we don't take the trade. 2 ways. So the thing is, I think if you're always getting something consistently wrong and you're always losing 10 pips, that's a great way of using that negative aspect and turning into a positive. And like, well, you're gonna get it wrong. Maybe just do the opposite of that, and then you'll get it right.
Yeah, basically, right? So
Yeah.
kind of get like a good feel of it too, and good kind of feel of the charts and everything. So
Exactly, and of course, learning how your pair, your specific securities, wherever you trade, move. So
You become familiar with the pair or whatever you're trading.
Yeah. So I'll do that for Euro USD. Because yeah, like I have to get 3 months. Because it goes back. I started in January. First week of, or second week of January.
Yeah.
And I was able to obtain 5-minute. It's weird though. It's kind of like what you said. Like you first have to go on the daily to that, and then you click 5 minutes. But if you go 5 minutes and then you try to go rewind it up until January, you can.
Yeah, I know
It's
that
all-
part's kind of weird, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
It's
just
a
like
weird kind of.
it must be
thing on
some
it.
like some glitch.
Yeah, it might be a glitch or something on it. It's just different. So oh wow.
Wow, what
what the
that was! I was seeing as I was at 17, and then boom.
damn. So I got like half of my core at the 1814 mark. Quickly exited that, but damn, what the hell was that?
That was crazy.
I guess that rejection area is big up here, man.
Yeah, that was insane.
I was getting worried. I was about to punch out. I was like, maybe I should, but then I trusted my analysis. And I was
Holy smokes, buddy!
like, no, man, that's
Come
nuts.
on, XGD. Chill. Oh, what Bitcoin moves?
Bitcoin
Okay.
moved?
Sorry. Expiration date must be in the future. Okay. So there was an expiration date. I was not aware of that.
For what? XGD?
No, Bitcoin.
Bitcoin?
Actually, yeah, Bitcoin. I'm just having alerts. Alerts on here, so I can yeah, there we go. So when Bitcoin kind of moves either down or up, I'm gonna enter.
That's nice.
Because I'm just sitting in Tether right now. So wait, you broke even half of your position for
No,
gold?
no,
Or
I got out half of it. Well, yeah, basically like the entry I had at 18, 14, 50.
that was crazy though. Holy.
Yeah, I got that one out at 1814. So I just have that 18 1750 position.
Yeah.
Still going. I'll probably let that run. So
Yeah, fair enough, man.
that was nuts. I wasn't expecting
I
that
was
hard.
nuts. I just had gold on my black bull or my MetaTrader just playing, so it's like, damn.
Fuck, I rewind. No, I won't reshort this. Or should I? Nah, I'll leave it.
Why don't you talk us through about shorting it for the audience?
USD CAD. Well, you have the hour break. That was the 30-minute break. That's why I entered at 5 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
I expected it to continue, but obviously it didn't. I guess the New York Open made it continue. 7 o'clock, 7:30, kind of pushed it lower.
Yeah.
So now the hour broke all these wicks, and now there's clean traffic. I'd say down at this range. Daily candle broke previous daily candle low. You have the upper wick form. They kind of bearish push down to 4 hours, kind of just filling this wick, and it might retrace too. That's one thing. It's a Monday, but just considering how the chart looks, you're easily. I think you're gonna retest the bottom of this range over a longer period of time.
Over a longer period, okay.
Yeah,
How about
but
for right now?
for right now, if it pulls back around like the 60s area, that's maybe when I'll look to get another short, because then your stop is here, then your TP is still.
Yeah,
I consider it like over here first, and then over
Yeah.
here is the second one. But
Good.
I think I'll set an alert and try this analysis again. So if I had to do it, put my position at 60 or something. But other than that, man, it's kind of slow, 37.30. So I'm not gonna rush into any entry there. Plus, I still have gold going, and gold's kind of insane.
Yeah.
How that rejected, that's like a nice rejection. In my opinion.
I want the audience to kind of think back of what Simmer said and kind of the waiting aspect, right? Of like waiting to get a better price. You know, sometimes yes, you'll actually miss trades and stuff waiting for the better price, but you know, you're trying to protect your capital. You're trying to put yourself in a position
Best possible position.
to succeed and not get shaken out and stuff like that. Like for example, now if you entered, it's basically been like 20 seconds since you said it. It kind of with your idea, it's better. But obviously, it's kind of iffy.
Yeah, it's
If
iffy.
say
That's
it
why I didn't
closes
enter,
right now
right?
like this, then that means like that was like a liquidity grab on the 1 hour.
Yeah, it's another rejection, right? If the wick
Right.
goes up, so that's just
Yeah.
another wick rejection. So there's no point into
Yeah.
rushing that trade entry.
Best thing is waiting and just kind of seeing. I mean, yeah, like I said, you missed some trades. Like for example, myself, I missed the Euro USD, but looking back, having sell stops on that formation was probably, and I'm playing momentum, was a quick 10 pips, right?
Yeah.
But ideally speaking, it would have been nice if the 6 o'clock candlestick closed below my zone around the 1440s, below the 1440s area, then yeah, I would enter there as more of like a 50-50 kind of trade. But yeah, you know, you miss some, but there's always opportunity. That's why you don't see me rushing into short it or long it or stuff like that, because
There's always opportunities.
There's
That's
always.
the main thing, right?
The thing is, like with our like kind of or what we learned from Roger and Ted, 10 pips happens every single day. Like yeah, there's some people that trade, they're trying to go for what, like 50 to 100 pip moves. That doesn't happen every single day. I'll say that right now.
No, but 10, 20 pips, like I go for 20, that happens. Chan goes for 10.
Yeah, and it
That
depends on what
happens.
you trade, right? Gold easily 20, and if you have a 1-to-1 with 10 pips, it's actually even harder, I would say, from not getting shaken out of your trade.
Yeah.
But Euro USD moves slow, and it doesn't move that much. So then you, like, that's why I go for 10 pips. And it still moves 10 pips. Sometimes it moves 20, 30, right? But am I trying to hit home runs here or trying to hit singles? So.
For gold, I had my original TP at 1810, but I moved it to 1811.
Nice. Yeah. Are you gonna have a runner still or what?
No, I'm gonna take a nap. I might leave a mini position going, but
just leave a baby runner, man. Just
baby runner. I don't leave a baby.
Because like okay, so one of the goals that Simmer and I are trying to do, that we've talked about, is having runners and forcing ourselves to have runners and having that expectation that it's a hit break even. But the thing is though, there's the ones that do go beyond our wildest imaginations, and that's kind of what makes one of our mentors, Raja, a lot of money. Is his runners.
Yeah, his runners are key.
So I was doing a simulation actually over the weekend by myself. I was trading Euro USD, so I took a short position on it, and for me right now, I have runners about 20% of the whole position, so my core will be 80% of what I put in, right?
Yeah.
So that runner like got me, I think I calculated about 42% of my total profits.
Damn! Wow.
Out of 20%. Because yeah, it just kept going down when I shorted. I was just like, wow,
pretty hefty on a runner.
You see it though, right? Because I mean, the worst thing is you break even it, but the best thing is like you get something that blows your mind. You never expect it to keep breaking levels, but some days, you know, if there's a big enough government or player in the markets and stuff, they'll keep pushing it down.
Yeah, 100%. It just depends where this. It's basically where the smart money's going, or like wherever.
Yeah.
So they have like the momentum build up, and whoever's trying to push it kind of pushes it to that price level. So.
Hero. You are wild, Hero. is this hour this hour flipped bearish too. Crazy. Whew.
Damn. Oh wow, that hour did flip bearish.
Like typically, that's a good sign. We are in a zone right now. But the one thing is that also I've been like when I was simulating, there's an action and a reaction.
Yeah.
And after that, it's hard to take a trade, in my opinion, unless it's a trend.
Yeah, it is. Unless it's trending, then it's tough. Because after the action, it's kind of like there's a reaction, but then what are you gonna do if it's not a trend? Then it's kind of tough to choose a certain direction.
Yeah. Because I can imagine this setup right now to have like after this candle, the 7 o'clock candlestick closes on Euro USD, that it's gonna break down, but I think it's gonna be a liquidity grab. I'm still biased long on it.
Oh
but
yeah,
I'm thinking that it's creating that lower wick. Monday, Tuesdays.
Still an early week.
Yeah.
By the way, after this trade, I think I'm gonna. So if it hits 1811 on the ask,
Man, wow. Whew. 5 pips just like that.
On Euro? Yeah, Euro dropped fat. It just keeps going, eh?
Yeah.
Ooh,
at this rate,
14. What the fuck? Oh, it's
You're
going
out?
down here, dude. It's gonna hit 113.80.
Oh wow, that's 10 pips right there.
Yeah, it's gonna keep going and going.
Sell stops. Well, you're out of your gold trade, right?
No, I still have it. 1811 is my TP, but looking at this 15 minute, if this 15 minute closes like this, below this area, then this 15 minutes should continue. The next 15 minutes should continue lower. So the 80% is going to be out at 1811, and then I'm going to have just the mini runner for you, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Mini runner.
Wow. That momentum thing is crazy, bro.
Yeah, man, that thing tanked. Well, even after it broke the previous wick, that's 10 pips right there.
Yeah.
That's how Ted trades below the previous wick, sell stop, boom, 10 pips out.
10 pips out. Yeah. Like honestly, beaut. And then I could see it tap 14, whole number, maybe break it a little bit, and then bounce back up. And if let's just say you miss this trade, like we mentioned before, there's an action and a reaction, then after that it's kind of like iffy. But this is definitely the action part. Boom. Crazy. I love the markets. Yeah. 10 pips or 10 pips. Yeah. Oh, buddy.
I think I'm gonna end the stream. I'm gonna do
All
the
right.
recap, but yeah, I know we had the Euro USD, we had USD CAD, we had gold. Quick recap of everything. Daily recap will be on the website too. I did the USD CAD, gonna write up the gold one. Got everything going there.
Yep.
Are you gonna continue to stream after? Are you gonna test it?
I'll just I want to try it first. I don't want it to cause like a streaming error.
Yeah,
And
fair
then
enough.
an update. We can just test it on the side after.
Fair enough. But yeah, I'll give a daily recap on gold
Sure.
in about 20, 30 minutes after this trade plays out. We'll see how it plays out. I do have the TP down here. It's rejected the area that I drew. So we'll see. Chan called Euro USD. Momentum plays. 2 momentum plays, really. USD CAD. It's creating wicks. It's kind of tough to trade that. But risk was controlled on that. But yeah, other than that, pretty good trading day. Pretty
Yep.
good overall. I'll be back on. We'll both be back on. I'll be on at 5. Channel will be on at 6.
Yep.
Gotta do it the whole week this time. But yeah, have a good
Yeah.
day.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, buddy. All right. Well, everyone, happy trading and take care of each other.